Hi guys, today we'll be seeing a topic what is how to install TuxPaint. Let's click on search Google and search it as install TuxPaint. Yes! On the first website tuxpaint.org OG and yes, open source drawing software and click on this one. Wait a minute. Click on download. Wait a minute. Linux. Yes. Yes, you could select your one. Go add. Wait a minute. It's loading. You could download it here from here as it's TuxPaint's original website. My net is just a little slow. And after downloading it, close it. You could also have a wide variety of stamps. Click on TuxPaint stamps. Yes. Click on this. Click on yes, this one. Yeah, you could download it from Windows. Yes. Click on this. Free download. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys. That's all for today's video. It's downloading right here.